Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. More Jamaicans are turning to the stock market to earn money, but not many people understand how it works. In fact, experts estimate that many Jamaicans who are now investing lack the basic knowledge that they need when it comes to understanding stocks. So, what exactly are Jamaicans getting themselves into? TVJ's Andrew Ladley explains.
There's a lot of money moving around on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, more so in recent times as new investors flock brokerage houses when the latest initial public offer of a stock is announced. Stock experts claim that many newcomers don't understand the risks and only see the rewards. So the Business Day took to the streets to gauge Jamaicans' knowledge about investing in stocks.
I don't really know much, but I hear a little, and I would definitely love to get more, education on that.
I think the big man them is exploiting it, and the small people them need to get some form of understanding that we can get a part of the cookie, because the cookie is here to share.
Well, right now I don't know nothing about the stock exchange. I swear to you, nothing at all.
I do know that there is a stock exchange, that's the first thing, but I don't really know much. I know of it, but I don't know anything to say per se.
I know that it's a chart or a statistic about companies and their earnings on a daily basis, how they do their stocks and stuff, how the exchange rates or how much they make.
All these entities come together to form a body where you have a stock market, and from the development of the stock market then you'll gain certain proceeds towards your business.
So where do new investors usually go wrong?
Is that some persons tend to think that it's really an opportunity to make a short-term gain when equity as an asset class really outperforms over the medium to long term. But if you don't know what a dividend is, you don't know what a closing price is, you don't know how to read a trade sheet, then really what are you doing with your money?
With that in mind, the Jamaica Stock Exchange is urging newcomers to engage their brokers frequently.
We have 13 stockbrokers that are available island-wide to guide investors, to provide them with financial advice as it relates to their own personal objective and what they would want to achieve with their resources.
But that may not be enough.
Nothing is going to trump you getting the knowledge for yourself, because your broker, they are going to give you an opinion that is very generalized. Right? It may not necessarily be something that you as a person are comfortable with. So that is where now, when you have the knowledge, you can look at it and say, well, you know something, based on what the broker is saying, it may not necessarily be a bad thing that they're saying, but maybe it's just not for me.
The stock market became more popular as Jamaicans realized they could earn more value on their money by buying stocks instead of putting it in a savings account. But the stock market isn't always favorable, and things could change in an instant.
As much as the market is where it is now, I was also in the market at a time when it crashed, and a lot of people got burned, right? I'm not saying that's going to happen, because of course the economy now is very different than what it is then. But having that knowledge, you will then know, okay, I have this stock, the market is changing, I need to sell it and take my profit. Otherwise, some people might have a stock, sit on in their portfolio, market change, oh, you're making $1 million, now you're losing whatever capital you had put in.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Now to what happened on the stock market today. The JSE index lost 1,893 points, while the junior market index gained 10 points. These companies were among the winners: AMG Packaging and Paper, 1834 Investments, iCreate, T-Tech, and Everything Fresh. On the losing side, we had Blue Power Group, Iron Rock Insurance, Paramount Trading, Pulse Investments, and Salada Foods. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $138.90, the Canadian dollar $103.20. The pound is costing $179.42, while the euro is going for $156.66. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.